Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel Twist&Turn with Neville, and thank you very much for your love and support and your kindness and everything that you've done for the channel up to this far where it's at. Thank you very much. Everything that you've done is not in vain. Thank you very much. You are helping me, guys, with your love and support. Now, on this Meyiwa trial, there are so many things that have transpired so far since this trial has started. But one thing that is key in all of this is that since this trial started, the only person who has made this trial to be a mess as it is right now is these three people that I'm going to mention. Brigadier Gininda, Advocate Baloi, and then there's Judge Ratha, allegedly. They're involved in making this trial a mess because there are so many inconsistencies that have been revealed throughout this trial since it started. Brigadier Gininda, since he took over, if you can remember very well, there's an interview that was done by the brother of Senzo Meyiwa, where he said that Brigadier Gininda stole a statement in that docket 375, and now they are trying by all means to fix that mess that they have done because it implicates them. He also, Brother Senzo, also mentioned that Brigadier Gininda is there was a warrant of arrest against him, and I don't know how he evaded that. And also at the same time, they are busy with this docket 365, which is not taking us anywhere except to bring witnesses who do not know what to do, do not know what to say, who do not know what was happening. And now these poor guys who are there, who are the accused, are now facing the heat for something that they didn't even do. As to why now they say it was a robbery gone wrong, that means that if these five guys go down, they take a fall for everything that has happened in this Meyiwa incident. That would mean that even Ukeli Kumalo should go down because her name has been implicated a number of times since this trial started. But then, does that mean, Uguti, if these five accused are arrested, Casey Pelil? Because if you can look at this trial very well, you'll realize, Uguti, no matter what the defense is trying to do, the judge and Advocate Baloi, they are determined to have those guys go down. And I wouldn't be surprised to find that Judge Ratha himself allegedly has got his judgment prepared for the guys who are standing before the court right now, because these guys, they are not involved in that thing that they are saying to us, that assertion, it was a robbery. These guys are not involved in this. The people, this case will only be solved, according to me, the way I see it, the only way this case will be solved is when the people who are inside the house are coming before the court to explain their side of the story. Because what is going on right now, we are busy going to and fro, knocking our heads against the wall and everything, and this is not getting us anywhere. Umuntu owaziyo iqiniso ukuthi kwenzekeni are the people that were in the house during that day when Senzo Meyiwa was taken down, you know. But now you see Judge Ratha helping ama witnesses, you see Judge Ratha assisting ama witnesses, you see Judge Ratha taking sides with Baloi. But when it's the case of the defense, you don't see him do any of those things. And I've been checking recently, not a lot of people like that judge. I mean, a lot of people do not like that judge. And it makes you wonder, as you go along with this trial, out of all the people that have passed through the hands of Advocate Baloi and Judge Ratha, can we really say that those people received a fair judgment or a fair trial where that is concerned. Because the way izinto zenzeka ngakhona, it brings up a lot of questions ukuthi, no man, some of the people that are behind bars today, you'll find ukuthi they are sitting behind bars because they didn't commit those crimes, but they were implicated and they were framed and like in the case of this like in this case of Meyiwa Trial, you see the accused facing the heat for something that they didn't even do. But now, why now are they implicating Kelly? You'll never understand why. What are they driving at? You know? Because if you see izinto the way zenzeka ngakhona, you are forced to somehow kind of believe the rumors and the stuff that is going around to advocate Baloi or Chico Twala, they are related, but then I'm not in that. As to why Itoke 375 or the accused or the people that were in the house in Vosloorus when Meyiwa was killed, why are they not in court? You'll never understand. You'll never get it. You'll never get it. But now they are entertaining and they are making sure that the evidence, whatever that they are getting, they make sure that thing sticks to someone. I think this case, guys, we still have a long way to go before we get to the truth. But one thing I like about the truth, it has a funny way of coming out. Whether we like it or not, in the end, iqiniso lona lizovela ukuthi kahle kahle who is the person that took out Senzo's life, because that is the only thing that we need as we are watching this trial going ahead. And this whole thing, it brings a negative picture to the justice system of this country. I don't know what you're thinking about that, but if you have anything to say, you can hit me up in the comment section and I'll be sure to respond. And apologies again for not going through all the comments that I've been getting on my previous videos. Hey, there's a lot of comments that I've received, and thanks a lot for the love and the support and for making this channel to be where it is today. It's because of you, it's not by me. And with that said, from me to you, I'm signing out. Peace. Till the next upload.